up with no one left to hide. Just wanna drop down and cry.